Hello friends, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to review Black Falcon drone. You should purchase this product or not. It's a scam product or it's a waste of money product. What are the problems you are going to face if you are going to purchase this product? So friends, after watching this video you don't need to watch any other video. In this video we are going to full review of this product. As you can see over here, there are lots of drone listed, and the price of all drones are very budgetly, or you can say too good. But now our turn, you should purchase this product on this website or not. Our recommendation, you should not purchase this website, or you can say you should not purchase any type of product on this website, because its website is look like a scam website. As you can see, there is lots of options which showing it's look like a scam. As you can see over here, the trust score of this website is 73 out of 100, and the age of this website is approx 1 year 3 month old. Both indicate it's a good website, but friends, my dear friends, our recommendation, please don't go with this website because it's not look like a genuine website. And as you can see on your screen, if you really want to purchase any type of drone, or you can say any type of Black Falcon drone, you should purchase this product on amazon.com or any official or any authentic or any genuine online store. You should not purchase these type products on any other unofficial websites. So our conclusion is you should not go with this product. As you know, this is not our website, so save your hard-earned money and don't go with this type of product, these type of websites. So friends, I'm going to end this video over here. Bye bye friend, thank you.